In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Canva file as a PDF. Now, whether you're looking to save your design for printing, sharing, or simply preserving in a read-only format, exporting as a PDF is a great choice. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you through a straightforward process, making it easier than ever to have your design ready to go. First things first, let's head over to Canva's website by opening up your favorite web browser and typing in canva.com. Once you're there, verify that you're logged into your account. If you aren't logged in yet, take a moment to enter your login details to access your saved projects. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to opening the project you'd like to export. On your Canva homepage, you'll see a list of your past projects. Simply locate the design you want to export and click on it to open it fully. This step will take you directly to the editing screen where you can review your design. Here's a tip. Take a quick look to ensure everything looks perfect, as this is the final version you will be exporting. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a bright purple button labeled Share. Click on this button and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with various options. Among the options, look for Download. Clicking here will bring you to a new panel where you can specify your file preferences. Within this new download panel, you'll find an option that allows you to select the file type you wish to export your project as. By default, this might be set to PNG or another format, so be sure to click on the drop-down to reveal the full list of options. From this list, choose PDF. You'll notice there are two variations, Standard and Print. If you intend to print your design, selecting the PDF print option is advisable, as it will produce a higher quality file suitable for printing. Once you've chosen PDF as your desired format, take one last look at the options below. These can include adjustments like page select and color profiles, but for most purposes, the default settings will be just fine. Now, simply go ahead and click the Download button. Your file will begin downloading to your device, and once completed, you'll have a polished PDF version of your Canva design. It's that simple. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget that you can always revisit your design to make changes and export again if needed. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.